In this video, I am going to show you a easiest way to make money online by simply copying and pasting images and then promoting several affiliate products along with that images. I'm going to cover each and everything in a step-by-step process so that you can learn and implement right after watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel and do like this video. Now, without doing any delay, let's get started. First thing you need to do is search for affiliate programs. Now, the type of affiliate program that you need to promote by using this strategy is related to arts, digital arts. So you can simply search on Google for tools for digital arts in order to understand what type of tools you need to create a digital art. So there are like this Wacom Kinetic Touch, Wacom, this kind of, okay, you need, these are the products, okay, like iPad Pro, Apple Pencil. Similarly, if you search best art affiliate programs, then you will find lots of affiliate program that has products and services related to art. You can find these products inside this affiliate program, or what you can also do is you can join Amazon affiliate. Simply type on Google Amazon affiliate and you will be able to visit to this site that is called Amazon Associates, and this is the affiliate program of Amazon where you can sign up and earn commission, start to earn commission. Firstly, you need to do these things, okay, and then another affiliate program that you need to join, which is extremely essential for this strategy, is Skillshare affiliate program. So Skillshare affiliate program have some cool facilities that you extremely need in order to implement this strategy. So firstly, you can search on Google Skillshare affiliate program and you will be able to visit to this site, and as you can see here, become a Skillshare affiliate. You can just click on join for free and follow their instruction in a step-by-step process, and you'll easily be able to create your Skillshare affiliate account. Once you create your account, then what you need to do is you need to log into your Skillshare account. Now let me remind you, you don't need a premium membership in order to promote Skillshare as an affiliate, okay. Now what you can do, once you log into Skillshare, then just type art or digital art at here, and you'll see lots of classes at here, like turn your art into an NFT. So these are the classes that is like of 1 hour, 28 minutes, 47 minutes, 52 minutes, and people are loving. Like as you can see, here are 2000 students, here are 5000 students learning from him, there are 10,000 students. Now you can click on any of these classes in order to promote these classes and make money for yourself. Now once you click on these classes, then this kind of interface will be opened, and you can just click on this share, and you can see share this class and on, and just click on this link button, okay, and you will find your own affiliate link at here. Now if you promote this link, then what happens? If you promote this link, then you can see you can earn up to 60% of their first payment, okay, from Skillshare. Of course, they will get 1 month, 1 free month, but you will still be able to make money from this affiliate program, because those who are interested in art are going to learn lots of from other classes also, okay, that are available inside this Skillshare, and you don't need to worry about that. So simply you can just click on the share button and then copy your affiliate link in this way. Now up to this much time, you have an affiliate program that teaches things related to arts, and you have joined this Amazon affiliate, and you have also joined few of these affiliate programs in order to promote these products that are related to creating and drawing arts. Now after you have did all of this, then what you need is, you cannot put lots of link inside an image, okay. I'll show you a free traffic source from where you can get lots of traffic to these affiliate offers, but before that you need to put all of these links in one place. And for that, what you can do is you can visit to a site that is called Linktree. So when you visit to linktree.com, then you'll see this kind of interface, and you can create your free account on Linktree. Once you create your free account on Linktree, then you can simply log into your Linktree account. After logging into your Linktree account, you will see somewhat this kind of interface, and when you create a simple landing page inside Linktree, then it will look like this, okay. There will be one image, there will be a name, and there will be this kind of link. So now you can put Skillshare class link at here. Similarly, you can put about iPad Pro from Amazon affiliate ad here. You can also put a cheap paintbrush affiliate link at here. Okay, in this way you can create a landing page inside Linktree. Now to create a simple landing page in Linktree, you can simply click on add new link. Now you can simply give the title. So let's see our class title, design and prepare digital art for print on demand. So let's copy and paste this title at here, and then you can again go to here and click on this share and click on this button and copy your affiliate link for this class and paste it at here in this way, and then just click on this outside. Now you can see design and prepare digital art for print on demand. This link will appear in this way. Similarly, you can create another link by just clicking on add new link, and all of the link will be kept at here in a systematic way. You can also pull any of the link above of any link. Okay, in this way you can put it below in this way. Okay, and make it more beautiful and more good in looking. Now after you have completed all of these steps, then you need to visit to a specific site in order to get lots of traffic to your this landing page, and this site is called deviantart.com. You can simply visit to deviantart.com and you will see somewhat this kind of interface. You can simply click on join and join this site. Now let me show you how much traffic this site has got. So you can see here this site receives 112 million traffic per month, and average visit duration is 8 minutes. That's why I'm telling you, the people who are interested in art spends lots of time, money and effort in all this artistic thing. So you will have a extremely better chance to make good amount of money by promoting the affiliate programs, affiliate products related to art. And most of the traffic that comes to this site is from United States, Canada, UK, Germany and Mexico. Now it's extremely simple to create an account on DeviantArt, and it is free to create an account on DeviantArt. Just you need to click on join and put your email address and you are done. Now you can post your images inside this DeviantArt and write those people who come to that images to your Linktree landing page and promote lots of affiliate products. Now I'll show you in step-by-step process how you can actually find out images that you can post in DeviantArt for free without creating yourself. Now for this, what you need to do is you need to search on Google about Unsplash. Once you search for Unsplash, then you can click on this link and you'll see somewhat this kind of interface where you can find lots of royalty-free images that you can use inside DeviantArt. Similarly, you can just type on the search bar like anime or art, whatever you want to type, you can type and see there are lots of images inside here. Similarly, another site that you can type is Pixabay, and you can open this link, and this is also a place where you can get installing free images and royalty free stock images. Okay, and you can see, check out all of these images. Simply you can search on this Pixabay also by typing anime, and you will find out lots of pictures that are related to anime. Now especially anime type of images are a little bit eye-catching. Okay, that's why people are more attracted to these kind of images. So you can especially start by just using anime images. But this Pixabay and Unsplash has limited amount of images that you can use, so I would suggest you to even visit Pinterest and create your own Pinterest account and search for anime image. Of course you cannot use for extremely free. Okay, like there are no any royalty free images inside this Pinterest, but still we are not going to sell these images in DeviantArt. Instead, we are only trying to showcase these images and promote our affiliate products. That's why you can use these images and then give the credit to the original creator, okay, whoever it is, and you are fine. Okay, you can place these images inside DeviantArt if you give the credit to the original creator. Now downloading the images from Pinterest is extremely easy. You can simply click on this image and open it, and you can just right click at here and click on save image as, and you will be able to save this image in your desktop. Similarly, downloading images from Unsplash and Pixabay is also easy. Just visit to their site and click on this image. Now you can either click on this download free, or you can just right click at here and click on save images and save image, and you will be able to save this image inside your desktop. Now once you download your image, then just visit to DeviantArt and then click on this submit and click on this deviation. Now you can simply click on this choose a file to upload and then upload the image that you have downloaded recently. So I have downloaded this one, so let's open it. Now your image is downloaded, so it is at here now. Now you need to put a description at here about this image. In this way you can type a headline like type of characteristic, so like headline that attracts people's eye. Similarly, now you can hit enter and give a call to action at here. You can type this type of call to action and then you can put your Linktree link at here. Now in order to do so, simply visit to the Linktree landing page that you have created and you can see here is the link that you need to share. Just click on this share and copy this link, and again go back to DeviantArt and paste this link at here. Now again you need to hit enter in order to give credit to the one who have made this picture. In this way you can give credit to its original creator. Just type credit and then visit to Unsplash and just copy this original creator's name and then go here and just paste it in this way. Okay, and here you will also find the link for the profile URL of this original creator, and if they see your image inside this platform, then they will be happy. At least you gave them credit and they are going to do nothing about this. Now another thing that you need to add is this tags. Okay, in order to add this tag, what you need to do is you need to use your brain. Okay, firstly visit to DeviantArt, okay, and find similar image that you are uploading. Okay, so here you can see this can be one of the similar type of image, that is this, and this image is pretty similar, so you can just click on here. Okay, and scroll below to see what are the tags that they have used and use similar type of tags in here. And if you think your image is a little bit type of mature or adult type of content, then just tick mark it. Otherwise, if it is not, then you don't need to tick mark it. Okay, and inside this mature content you can see what are the categories that you need to select, and if it is not so, as you can see this image is not, so you can now simply click on this submit now. And after some while, when your post is visible to public, then they will start to see this image, they will click on it and they will see your description. So make sure this description are a little bit nice. Okay, you can learn to write this description from either from Skillshare or from Unsplash, Pixabay, what are the description that people have wrote inside of this Pinterest images. Okay, you can find out a way to write extremely good description. You can also see other people what type of description they have wrote inside this DeviantArt, and you can use similar type of description and promote your Linktree link with lots of affiliate product to make good amount of money for lifelong. So guys, this much I wanted to show you in this video. I hope this video added some value to your life, and if it did, then you can check lots of my other YouTube videos that people loved and are making money by after watching that video. I have handpicked those videos and kept all of those in the description of this video. You can click on it and watch. So this much I wanted to show you in this video. Take care, have a great life ahead. Bye bye.